So we're going to prepare with like a body weight, just cardio segment. So we'll prepare for that. So I would say probably put your mat out like this, right? And then let's see here. Oh, I know what we need to do. Actually, I was wrong. Hold on. I need to think about this. Actually, I think we got to set up like step. So I'm going to use 2 mats. I'm going to use 2 mats. You guys can set up however you want, but I'm just going to share with you like how I'm setting up today. So I'm going to go ahead and set up like step because we are going to use our blue stepper for today. If you don't have a blue stepper, you can just pretend like you do. But we'll be using the step today, not for step, of course, but for the workout. And we need, okay, so let's see here. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to set up our kettlebell. We need our 20-pound weight and our kettlebell. So we'll set up our kettlebell here, and we'll set up our 20-pound weight here, or whatever version, okay? So I'm going to grab 2 blocks. I'm going to go ahead and go with my heavier kettlebell today because I'm feeling pretty feisty, feeling pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and put my 20-pound kettlebell, use that. But I'm also going to probably bring my 10-pound or 12-pound kettlebell, Sculpt Flow kettlebell, just in case my SI joint acts up, right? My body tells me what I should and should not do, okay? So I'm going to be ready for this. And remember, you can do any variation you want of weights and kettlebells and all that stuff. And then I'm going to use my 20-pound weight, and I'm going to set this up here. Because we have jumps, we have slides. We also have crunches and bridge lifts, though. So I think right here is where I'm going to do my crunches and bridge lifts and mountain climbers. So watch. When it's time for crunches, I'll just kind of sit here, and I'll do crunches on this part of the yoga mat, right? And then we're going to have bridge lifts, right? And then we finish this one with mountain climbers. So I will just turn it and do it that way. So I kind of like always like set up my studio so everything is a flow. When I'm done with one exercise, if you will, I don't like that word, but you know what I mean, then I can flow right to the next one. So that's kind of why the studio setup is part of the workout. So here's what we're doing today really quick. We're going to prepare with a 3-round just cardio. 30 jacks, 20 air squats, 10 reverse lunges. Start again. 3 rounds, okay? So just getting that heart rate up big time, get our feet ready, get our muscles burning, our core muscles engaged, and then we're going to start our first 10-minute as many rounds as possible, okay? And on that one, we go from 5 to 30. So 5 burpees, 10 deadlifts. So it's like right here. We'll do step flow burpees. So it's tiger, stand, or jump, right? We have 5 of those. And then we have 10 deadlifts. So we'll come over here and do our deadlifts, right? And then we have 15 goblet squats, and we'll bring it up to here, put the weight to our chin, and do 15 goblet squats. Then we have the 20 crunches, the 25 bridge lifts, and the 30 mountain climbers. So that's the first round, okay? We're going to go for 10 minutes nonstop on that first round. So we just do as many rounds as we can. You can keep track. You don't have to keep track. We just keep starting over. As soon as you're done with the 30 mountain climbers, you go right back to the 5 burpees, 10 deadlifts, 15 goblet squats, 20 crunches, 25 bridge lifts, 30 mountain climbers. We do as many rounds as we can get in 10 minutes.